Welcome to today's crochet tutorial. In this video, we'll be making a beautiful flower-shaped coaster that's perfect for your tea time, home decor, or as a thoughtful handmade gift. It's soft, elegant, and surprisingly simple to make. We'll be using 3mm cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. If you love floral patterns, this project will definitely brighten your day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new crochet ideas. Now, let's get started. For round 1, create a magic ring. Chain 3, then work 12 double crochet stitches into the ring. Slip stitch into the top of the beginning chain 3 to close the round. Tip: keep your stitches evenly spaced around the ring to form a smooth circle. Great job! You've just built the foundation for your flower. Let's move to round 2. Chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch, then chain 1. In the next 11 stitches, do double crochet increase, chain 1, that means 2 double crochets in each stitch, followed by a chain. Join with a slip stitch at the top of the starting chain. You should see a slightly wavy edge forming. That's our petal base. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Chain 3, then make a double crochet increase, chain 1, and skip the next stitch. Repeat this around. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, chain 1, skip 1 stitch. 11 more times. Slip stitch to close. Tip: skipping a stitch helps define the scalloped shape of the flower. The shape is forming beautifully. Let's keep the rhythm going. Chain 3. In the next stitch, make a double crochet, then a double crochet increase in the next. After that, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and skip 1 stitch. Repeat this pattern 12 times total, then slip stitch to join. By now, your flower should have clear, petal-like curves. Each stitch adds dimension. Keep your tension even for best results. Chain 3, then do 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase, chain 1, and skip 1 stitch. Repeat that entire sequence 12 times around. Slip stitch to finish the round. This round will give your flower more flare and width. Take your time to count your stitches. You're doing fantastic. Chain 4, double crochet in the next stitch, skip 2 stitches. Then repeat, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 2 stitches all the way around. This will create lovely open spaces like lace between the petals. Tip: make sure to chain the correct number so your petals stay evenly spaced. Almost there. Now for the final decorative layer. Start with chain 1, single crochet, then make 5 double crochet puff stitches in the next space. Chain 2, then slip stitch into the next stitch. After that, repeat, chain 2, 5 double crochet puff stitches, chain 2, slip stitch. Work this pattern all the way around. Your coaster is blooming with texture and charm. Take a moment to admire your work. You've done something beautiful. And that's it! You've just completed a flower coaster that's both functional and fabulous. Use it under your favorite mug or gift it to someone special. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more floral crochet tutorials. Comment below and let me know what color you chose for your flower. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!